This video will be about setting up Metadata Maestro for the first time and starting to create a record. Firstly, ensure that you've downloaded a copy of Metadata Maestro and successfully installed it. You can find this on the Medin website by going to Data Standards, clicking on Medin Discovery Metadata Standard, and then scrolling down to Metadata Maestro. You can find instructions on how to download and install Metadata Maestro here. Metadata Maestro is a standalone piece of software designed for Windows systems. Click here to download it. The software is free, but it's hosted by the British Oceanographic Data Centre, so you'll need to register for a free account before you can access it. So we'll continue to log in. And this will give us the option to download. It's also necessary for you to register with the EPSG registry so that Maestro can access their registry of coordinate reference systems. So if you go to the EPSG website homepage, you can click here to register. Once you've downloaded Maestro, click the zip file to unzip it. Choose the correct installer for your Windows version. Click the setup file and run to start the installer. Click through, make sure you read the license agreement. Install it on an appropriate directory on your PC. So now we've downloaded it and installed Metadata Maestro, we should be able to open it from our Start menu. This brings you to the Metadata Maestro Startup dialog, where you can make your selection of what actions you wish to perform. For now, we wish to create a new metadata record, so we'll select that from the list. Metadata Maestro now asks you what metadata profile you want to use. This is because Maestro allows users to create metadata for Medin, Gemini, and also for ISO 19115. In this case, we want to create a Medin record, and we're looking at a dataset. So if we choose the appropriate option from the drop-down list, Medin Discovery Profile, Datasets and Series. Okay. This opens the metadata profile window where we will shortly begin entering the metadata. First, however, there are a couple of setup processes that we need to sort out first so that the controlled vocabularies and the EPSG registry can be used. So firstly, let's set up the EPSG registry login. So if we go up to Metadata Tools, then select Options and Cache Lists. In EPSG credentials, enter your login information and click OK. The next preparation step is to upload copies of all the vocabularies that you may need to use onto your PC. If you go up to Metadata Tools again, and this time select Refresh Cached Lists. This takes you to the same page that will open up on Startup. The EDMO database is a list of marine organisations and is used for contact information. The NERC vocab server lists contain over 70 useful vocabularies, and this step also loads in the EPSG codes. Click on Update All at the top. The first time this step is carried out, it queries whether you want only vocabs recommended by Medin or all NERC vocabularies. For demonstration purposes, we will select Medin vocabs only. Select all. If you wish to upload all the NERC vocabs, please be aware this can take some time on the first upload. But after the first upload, it should just be a quick update. When the vocabs have successfully been updated, the little traffic light at the right-hand side will go green. Note that the EPSG codes have failed to update. This is because the EPSG registry has recently changed the way it supplies EPSG codes to applications. So for the moment, you'll have to go and manually search in the EPSG registry online and input the codes manually. Obviously, this is not ideal, but it's a known issue and we're working on a solution. Close the window and return to the metadata profile page ready to generate some metadata.